Steamed ginger, the secret to health and longevity of the ancients. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. If you have some ginger in your kitchen, try steaming it. It's a simple process that can help you say goodbye to many minor illnesses. This is a healthcare secret passed down from my grandmother, encapsulated in a few easy steps that even a novice in the kitchen can become an expert in no time. Not only is ginger a spice that enhances the flavor of dishes, it is also a natural miracle drug for the body. Folklore says, eat radishes in winter, ginger in summer, no need to worry about hard work. If you happen to have a mild cold, don't worry. Just 3 slices of ginger in the morning are better than a bowl of ginseng soup. Especially in the summer, the habit of eating ginger regularly not only helps the body stay healthy, but also prolongs life. These proverbs have praised the power of ginger for ages. There are many ways to prepare it, but in the summer, my grandmother always chooses to steam ginger in a pot. It is so delicious that even if you had money, you wouldn't necessarily sell it. Today, I'm sharing that method so you can enjoy ginger all summer long. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Prepare a large bowl. Add ginger. And add 2 teaspoons of salt. Salt not only disinfects and kills bacteria, but also uses the friction of salt grains to remove dirt in the crevices of ginger. Then pour enough water to cover the ginger. And stir gently to let the salt water soak into each ginger fold. Soak for 5 minutes. You will see the initially clear water gradually turn cloudy. This is because the dirt in the ginger has been dissolved. After soaking, use a knife to cut off any concave, soft, or damaged parts of the ginger. But remember, do not peel the ginger. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. The ancients used to say that leaving the ginger skin on would make it cool, while peeling it would make the ginger hot. Ginger peel is a natural heat-clearing agent containing many valuable nutrients. It would be a shame to throw it away. Remember to wash off any remaining salt and dirt. Drain and then place on a plate. This will not only help retain the flavor when cooking later, but also help keep the ginger dry, preventing bacteria from growing. Boil water in a pot. Add as much water as possible. When the water starts to simmer, place the steamer rack in. Arrange the drained ginger on the steamer rack. Do not overlap or press too close together so that the ginger cooks evenly. Do you know why you should steam ginger? This is the hidden health secret. Once the water comes to a boil, reduce heat to medium-low and steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Ginger has a strong, spicy taste. Many people easily choke when eating it. When steamed at high temperature, part of the spicy taste in ginger will evaporate with the steam, making the taste milder, no longer pungent. Surprisingly, this process does not destroy the nutrients of ginger, but increases the active ingredients such as gingerol and shogaol. The initial spicy taste becomes much softer. Use chopsticks to pick up ginger and place on a clean cutting board. At this time, the ginger skin is slightly shiny and soft. Wait until cool, then slice thinly. Fresh ginger contains many volatile essential oils, gingerol, amino acids, and other nutrients. Essential oils help promote circulation and warm the body quickly. When the weather changes, just a few slices of steamed ginger can dispel a cold. Gingerol has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, both boosting immunity and helping to reduce digestive discomfort. Ginger also aids digestion and is rich in amino acids, which are essential for the body's recovery and growth. Spread the ginger slices evenly on a spoon or tray, avoiding overlapping so that each slice gets full sunlight. Choose a dry, sunny place to dry. Warm sunlight helps the ginger dry naturally and is preserved with natural preservatives. The water in the ginger gradually evaporates, not only preventing mold and prolonging the storage time, but also concentrating the nutrients and flavor. When drying, pay attention to observe. When the edges of the ginger slices are slightly dry, the surface is dry but still flexible and not sticky, it means it is done. At this point, the ginger retains its nutrients and is easy to preserve. Do not over-dry the ginger because it will be brittle and less delicious. Next, prepare a clean, absolutely dry glass jar, sterilize it with boiling water, and let it dry completely. Put dried ginger slices in the jar and arrange neatly. I got 2 large jars in and tried to squeeze out all the air. Add a few rock sugar cubes to each jar and pour in the soul juice. I put vinegar in both jars. Old vinegar from long-brewed grains gives a strong aroma. The more you eat, the more fragrant you get. Rice vinegar has a light aroma, a slightly sour taste, and a light aroma of rice, and is more refreshing to eat. When the rock sugar dissolves, it will soften the sour taste of the vinegar and enhance the deliciousness of the ginger. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. The sweet and sour taste is very appetizing. When making pickled ginger, you absolutely need to avoid water and oil. Otherwise, the ginger will mold or spoil very quickly. If done correctly, ginger can be kept at room temperature for 10 days and still be delicious. Ginger will absorb the vinegar and sugar flavor, eaten with porridge or rice, both delicious and stimulating digestion. Pickled ginger has many benefits. Eating 2 slices in the morning helps digestion and stimulates appetite. When I'm bored, I just need a few slices and I want to eat right away. Always have a bottle in the house for use at any time. Have you remembered everything? I will stop here. If you find the content useful, please like and share so that more people know. Thanks for your support. See you in the next video.